ponytails. That's it. Part down the middle, part down the middle. Let's get this out the way. So going in the back, because we're wearing a hat today. Oops. So we'll take this, pull this out as usual. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna soak it up. Don't even worry about it. Not using my normal brush today. It's all packed up. But we're gonna go in with these. These hold excellently, outstandingly. While that's doing that, so you're pull, so it's not too tight. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not a perfectionist. Don't strive to be one. Just do the best you can. Just do the best you can. That's all you can do. Okay, real quick, we're going with this one. I like this because it slicks my hair down. It is amazing. The purple jar is thicker for thicker hair, so they have different levels of thickness. This is pretty thick for mine. I love it. Look at that. Does exactly what I needed to do. I'm gonna stop this video in just a second and do another one. I don't like them to be too long. One might be a little longer than the other, but that's okay too. We're in a hat today. Okay, next video.